Hi guys, it's your girl Ray here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the lovely family. This video is a very warm fall look. So if you don't like warm shades, if you don't like warm anything, if you're like a cold-hearted person and you only like cool things, no, I'm just kidding. But if you don't like warmth, this is not the video for you. But there is a cool toned fall look coming your way, so just be on the lookout for that. But this video, it is a very warm tone fall look. I am very proud of this look because if you knew what I went through today just to film this video, I like cried twice, so that'll let you know kind of where I am right now. But all in all, the video got done and I'm super proud of the finished product, which is this. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have already done one eye off camera because I needed to make sure that this look was gonna work, because this is now my second time trying to film this video, and the first time it was completely tragic. So my eyebrows are already taken care of and my eyelid is already primed with some concealer, but I did not set it. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my second transition shade, yes, the second. I'm gonna apply that first using a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going into my Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm going into the shade number 10, which is this orange shade right here. And I'm just going to lightly blend that right above my crease. And I'm going to start by tapping it in so that it can stick to the concealer that I have on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going into that same palette, but I'm going to the very bottom row in the center shade, and it's the brown, and it's the darkest brown that is in this palette. Also, let's just have a moment of silence for this shade because this palette fell like an hour ago and it fell face down, and that glorious burgundy shimmer broke. Sad part is I needed that color for this video, and I'm still gonna use what's there, and this is my first time using it and it's so pretty. But moment of silence. Okay, and like I said, I'm going into that shade and I'm gonna do the same technique with the first shade. I'm gonna stamp it in first, starting with the outer V. And I'm blending this into the actual crease. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this orange shimmer shade right here. I'm going to take that shade on my pinky and I'm going to pack that on the inner half of my lid. And now I'm going back into my Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to take the broken shade right here. And it is a cranberry shimmer. And I'm going to put this on the outer half of my crease. And now I'm going in with my extremely fluffy Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going back into that first shade, which was my second transition shade, that burnt orange, and I'm going to reinforce that over top of all of these shades. And now I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to give myself a wing. And now I'm gonna move on to my base. And for my concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. And before I set that, I'm going in with my Black Radiance pressed powder in Black Coffee. My edges were laid before this, I promise, but I think after becoming flustered and frustrated in that first video, you know, they saying hi to everybody, and I just don't have the energy to fix that. And now I'm using my BH Cosmetics number 11 for my nose. And now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder in the shade Medium Deep to set. And now I'm gonna bake my jawline. And while that sets, I'm gonna use my smudge brush and go back into that original transition shade, the burnt orange looking one, and on my lower lash line for, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line on the and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. And with that same smudge brush, I'm gonna go in with that Burgundy Cranberry Shimmer shade and I'm gonna apply that on the front half of my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna dust off that bake whilst simultaneously spreading this powder to set whatever else needs to be set on my face. And for my inner corner, I'm going into my Sephora Illuminizing palette and I'm going to take this gold down here. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm taking this gold and I'm putting it on my inner corner. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna take my I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara by Essence, which is my holy grail mascara, and I'm gonna blend my lashes. And I'm also applying this on the lower lash line. Now that that is on, I'm going to set my face with my Morphe setting spray. And before my face completely dries, I'm going to go back into my Sephora Illuminizing palette, and that same highlighter that I put on my inner corner, I'm also going to use to highlight my face.